Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the finished Maypen interchange. It's open and when we say finished, it's finished and cars are driving on it. The highway from Maypen to Mandeville was opened last week, Thursday the 14th, and it's now open to the public so you can drive from Maypen to Mandeville on the highway. So straight ahead is where you'd exit the Maypen interchange and go on to the Maypen bypass. Now this is a diamond interchange, so it has 4 ramps, so you can get on and off the highway from either direction you're going in. So the cars that you see there now heading to the top of the video is cars heading to Kingston. So as we said, it's finished, so it's a 4-lane dual carriageway, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. Very, very nicely done. Job well done to China Harbour Engineering Company. They built this road. Now this road is actually free. There's no toll to use this road until the end of the year. So from Maypen to Mandeville, the highway is free. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour. We're going to show you the entire interchange, all 4 ramps. So enjoy the rest of the video and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.